I had to sweep myself out my way. We are at Uyo. I don't know anybody that is around here. They should come and help us, please.
I don't know
Sorry.
So, this is my street. This is after Irmema Biro. This one Irmema Vide. Boronke Vide. That Irmega supported. That is more along a proof for our shops. I'm not even talking about the shops. The only idea Canadian. The only idea Canadian. My idea is how my street is currently. Say move forward. Say na more everywhere. Like there's no way we can more car out to go Canadian. More work for now. More you before you even say, can't I don't want my uncle? I saw from monk. I saw from monkey, but you don't get on from monk Canadian. Look at the rain is still falling. You don't get on from monk Canadian. Imagine somebody's house. Imagine. Government is when I'm going to a government and I'm so put up government and I mean, the woman cook a back road. If it's a major road, if it's a major road, but government, so whatever you was on the call in. So whatever you bought, cook a back road. Currently, that is more your afraid here. Abak Road, water that is coming from Abak Road is enough to even flood the whole of the people's house in this street. Abak Road, Itam fly over, more you're everywhere.
See no man, don't get full long. No follow. Guys,
why you don't carry clothes? Come give me. You go feel it.
But look at fully most of them back. Jesus Christ. Hey, sorry, bro, sorry.
This is happening again. Look at people's houses. Here is Tabernacle Road. It's so frustrating. This road was flagged up by the governor 2 years ago. This is what is happening. People are displaced. This is too bad for Akwa Ibom State government. People are displaced. Children are displaced. Students could not go to school. Look at this. It happened last year and we didn't expect this again this year. This is happening in Tabernacle Road again. This is happening again in Akwa Ibom State. This road was flagged up by His Excellency the Governor, I think 2 years ago, if not more. We expected something better to happen on this road.
Say me government boys no women on you know. I don't know for fridge form. Pray for the book ten ada boko. Tamu seru and get a meet up. To Tom Mong for a cake for. Mbok na ibi kaka na no women on you mbok. Say me I don't want fridge me. I don't want juice extractor. I don't want foam. I don't want menko kufok. Now be there no women on Gama when then you mbok ya I didn't want you know. 162 Oran Road Domio. Mbok mfene mi de memmo yo free fruit for nyenem. Free fruit for me. Say me a biad men wit. Abia ra fan bossy kid on me. Mbok idi on okay government soon maybe can send in on ya. Edi send in on yen meal. Ke free to me. Fruit for me mo odo yo say foam me mo odo carpet mo odo ngwen wit tom. Fan mbok ya government edi send on me on yen mbok so wasidi on mufu.
We saw it for morning. We saw it twice same me. Now we nana.
There's a very serious emergency here in Abak Road. A very serious flood that broke the fence and erupted the entire compound of the Church of Christ, 4 towns. The minister and his family is inside the minister's quarters. They can't even come out. And we don't know their situation now. Please, we call on the government and other public-spirited individuals, the fire service, and any other agency that can rescue the situation. The national emergency and every other person, Ministry of Environment, that can rescue us. Our problem now is that we don't even know the state of the minister inside the house. And
so this is my street. This is after Irmema Biro. This one I remember video. Don't get video. That make us squad. That is more along a fruit for our shops. I'm not even talking about the shops. The one idea Canadian. The one idea Canadian. My idea the open shop. More. This is how my street is currently. Say move forward. Say I'm more every way. Like there's no way but okay more car or out to go Canadian. More work for now. More before you even say this is not how it should be. Years ago when they came to remove debt from these gutters, gutters I made them open Till today, they've not closed these gutters. That's why we are suffering. Okuka Abak Road, yeah, from Abak Road, that water is coming down to this side. To Abak Road, we have been suffering. This is what we face. Even more, even for 30 minutes, this is what we have been facing in this street for years now.
Corridors, so these are the corridors of the hostel. Not calling over your room. Make your phone no mistakenly. My room was looking for her phone. She's not here. These are the corridors of the toilets, of the rooms. Yes. See my leg. Don't reach me, almost reaching half of my leg. Please point torchlight for me. See people's rooms. See rooms. You not have entered the rooms everywhere. She is a superintendent's document. That one is on top there are some of us down. Carpet to all those things, you don't go. See rooms. What have entered the rooms. So now I don't know what they are going to do. See people's rooms. See rooms everywhere.